Nice drone piloting. It's about the fifth time I've used it, and I've located it up there. Probably, shit. Okay, this is kind of fucked. Darwinian, I would say. So yeah, Operation Rescue Drone is evidently well underway. Thanks, Gemma. Being helpful. Geez, I'm evidently a strong guy. Oh, yeah, I haven't really been drinking much. I've got a nice new project to work on, like learning how to fly the drone, and then hopefully setting up, kind of bringing that into whatever photography business I do. But yeah, the so I'm like, maybe I can DIY it, but first of all, let me just get the cogs juiced up. So I can get the job done right. Like 2 hours trying to sort out getting out of fucking ladder. Ladder's too long. Get a van not available because the place on Google. It doesn't really matter because I was kind of looking at the wind blowing every now and then. I'm thinking, is that drone going to be on the ground? Do not let it be on the ground when I get back. Nah, it was up in the tree. No, I wish it fucking was. Of course it's on the ground. And the very sensitive camera has come off the fucking thing. It still fires up and you can read off the memory card. So there might be a chance. Yeah, I applied to get it insured. Well, your man had given me a quote, and I went, yeah, I'm going to go ahead with that. Like the day before yesterday, he said he's out of the office until the 12th. It would have been insured, but it would have been funny. Like 2 days later, Connor, slight problem here. Laugh or cry, dude. I don't know. I've resulted in drinking a bit of Jack Daniels because I'm weak. Fuck. Did I just drink Jack Daniels and now convince myself that or whatever it is, just nondescript whiskey? There we go. And convince myself that, like, so I'm gonna have to buy a soldering iron. That's what I'm gathering from this. Should I maybe watch a tutorial? What do you guys think? Subscribe to my channel. Click on the link below. Fuck. Is that really how this works with me? I'm like, fucked it all up. A lot of tech involved. Electronics. Nah, scrap it. I'm gonna get drunk and become a fucking electronics guru overnight. My guess is it's not how it works. Nah, I'm just trying to get to the bottom of it. I'll keep chipping away on the chips until I figure this fucking thing out. I'll be here a while. Subscribe to... Hello. Hey, how you doing? I'm calling up about the repair service. I sent you an email there. I think you left me a reference. Yeah, it's sorry, just a moment. It's 3X4 2213 45E6. Yeah, exactly. The Mavic 2 Pro. And I sent you the yeah. Well, I've been in not really. It's more of a hobby. Um, Not looking good. Okay. I do have the address. Yeah, I could send it forward. You don't. Yeah. Well, no, I'm fairly experienced. But I haven't dealt with. You think just send it in better? Okay. It's not. Is it? But is there a question of maybe getting the parts from yourselves and no, better not. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. There's no way you could come up with like. Would you know an estimate roughly for this kind of damage? Wow, really beyond repair. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, I suppose I'll just have to send it in, and I don't suppose it's covered by warranty. Yeah. Hello. 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 Ah, yeah. Don't suppose you cover my brain. Back to the drawing board. Guides and girls and girl guides and guy girls, be sure you know your wattage before you fuck around with anything. Anyway, this is the drawing board, and this is a face of confidence. Subscribe to. I'm wondering if you sell replacements or if you repair services for this drone. It's like when you start fancying someone and you're like, no, that's not right. And then you rewrite it and you're like, nah, I'm not sure if that's the right way too. I'm just contacting, I won't say who. God, I think I've become severely paranoid. I thought this, hang on, let me try to drink a little bit more then. I've become less paranoid. And then somehow a solution will occur and I won't have any recollection of how it occurred. But a new drone will fly through my window. There'll be sun shining out of my ass. And hang on. I've been known to say that drinking booze is a glamorous thing. It's not necessarily glamorous. It leads to all sorts of problems down the line. Sometimes. Not always. I mean, I am hoping that the sun doth indeed shine out of my ass, and this problem will get solved during some sort of blackout. But in the meantime, I'm stuck with the reality, and the reality is, I'm like, hi, customer service. I need to go in here with a plan. I'm like, do you provide replacement parts? But I'm getting stuck somewhere between that and can you fix my drone and my brain? How am I going to talk to this girl? God, I've never felt more in love. Yeah, that is the thing. I'll go with this. I'll just read it out. Hi. Already there, I was like, dear radio control shop. I'm like, yeah, dear. And, it's overthinking things. I crashed my drone today, unfortunately, Mavic 2 Pro, resulting in the camera / gimbal being torn from the aircraft. It might have done. Anyway, it's hard to tell if the camera itself has been damaged or just the wiring to the board. This might be thinking that in the background they're like, oh, the board, he knows what the board is. Yeah, can't rip him off too much because he knows what the board is. The board from the board to the other board. Anyway, I'm wondering if you sell replacements and or / if you provide repair services for this degree of damage. If I'm working there And I'm anything like two people I've known today to help me out with this scenario who both suggested get insurance afterwards, claim. I'm like, no! I need to go to McDonald's and consider the morality. I don't know, let me ask this fucker. Hey, you know I don't always call on you, but sometimes when a brother's in need, what do you suggest? Oh, a little bit. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, as long as this works, and this is analog. You promise? Hey, you promise? Okay. You know what? Maybe that's the answer. Fuck all this technology, and let's just go analog. Oh, excuse me, sir. Oh, sir. I guess you're right again. I know. You didn't tell everyone that your type is becoming less and less. Alright, fuck it, I'll just be honest with the company. I'm a moron. Sort my shit out. Sun's coming out of my ass. I think, despite drinking or no drinking, the moral of the story is I do have a regret. And it is there. Oh well. I guess I have to look like a freaking idiot now. Great. No, that's not the moral of the story. The moral of the story is I can look back and go, why didn't I climb it? I climbed part of the tree, weighed up my options, and went, I'm kind of not the same weight I used to be when I was 7. Or below. I'm a little heavier, and I figured if I climbed that high, it would have been one of those Darwinian moments. So I went and added the things together and figured, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. You'll get to that part, and that part might. And then there's that. And then back to the. Anyway, this is just the death of a drone. And all of my dreams. Yeah, champagne is a painful champagne.